Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show a simple way how you can buy Bitcoin in Switzerland. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you will get on a site called Coinbase. Coinbase is a really good way how you can buy with low fees Bitcoin. And when you're gonna register through the link in the description, you will get €8 for free when you're gonna invest €100 to Bitcoin. So it can actually pay for the fees. Now, view asset here, and I'm going to show you how you can invest to Bitcoin and how you can also withdraw the money from Coinbase so you can see that it actually works. Now, I can buy 100 of Bitcoin, or you can choose different cryptocurrency here. Preview buy. And you can simply have a purchase Coinbase fee total and price, and then be in portfolio. And let's say that you sold your Bitcoin. I have a Bitcoin here. I can send it to somewhere. And I have euro here, and now I can simply withdraw and continue. And I can to debit card or withdraw to my bank account. And this is how you can simply do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I definitely recommend checking out the Pro Coinbase if you're going to register through the link in the description. And you can trade also, or you can simply send it to Binance, etc. So yeah. Have a great day and goodbye.